How to remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger on iPhone or Android. First of all, let's navigate to the Messenger app on your phone and tap on the icon to open it. Once you are in the Messenger app, you will find yourself on the chat page. Now let's open a chat. Here you can see this chat is end-to-end encrypted, and messages and calls are secured with end-to-end encryption. To remove it, tap on the profile name. On this page, scroll down to the end and open Restrict. Tap on Restrict for the user. Within a few moments, the user's chat will be restricted, and the user cannot see when you are online or read your messages. You can remove the restriction by tapping on Unrestrict. Let me show you another method to remove end-to-end encryption. Let's go back, and from the top left side, tap on the 3 lines. This will open a sidebar menu. Tap on the gear icon to open Settings. Here, find Privacy and Safety. Once you find it, tap to open it. Next, tap on End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Open Security Alerts. Then, open Manage Security Alerts. Toggle on these security alerts, and it will help you to remove end-to-end encryption. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.